Hello fellow YouTubers, this is Verena Sonar here, and as you saw in previous videos that I just posted, it is raining like mad. Like seriously, like I said, rain coming down, lightning flashing, thunder crashing like mad. Like no joke, just a few minutes ago, there was a thunder crash so loud and so sharp it scared the daylights out of me. It startled my dad, really. Like, just really. I can still hear it even though I'm not in my garage. Sorry, I had to pause there. My brother came in chat for a split sec. But anywho, yeah, like I said, a few minutes ago, there was a thunder crash so loud and sharp, it scared the daylights out of me, and it really startled my dad. And even as I sit here in my foyer, I could see the lightning's just flashing and flashing and flashing. And earlier, even though the rain's lighting up just a bit, our front yard looked like it was flooding. It was. This rain just coming down our street, make it look like a river, a little bit. Yeah, just like I said, I may love the rain, but I would rather not get caught in a storm like that. I am not crazy, nor stupid for that matter. I hope you guys can still hear it. The other videos that I recorded of the heavy rain, I've done so in my garage, because you can hear it even louder in there than you can in any other part of the house, as far as I can tell from my a point of view, aside from sitting here in my foyer. And if you're hearing a beep sound, don't worry, that is just this a little space cooler that we have here, because yeah, we're still in summer, so it's hot. So I'm grateful that we have monsoon and little space coolers, so things get less hot around here. But anywho, that's all for now, folks. Until next time, TTFN, bye!